Go.
This is a quick video promo of what's to come summer 2019. The sun's out, the boys are out, which means that bikes are out.
Sick, man.
Yeah.
Just like a nigga, go figure. Some shit they said they might never fit. More figures, more hating ass niggas. More commas, more hating ass problems. No matter how much I tried, no matter how much I tried, can't lie to you, I can't lie to you. No matter how many times I heard, no matter how many rhymes I heard, but got it all in my mind, I heard, but got it all in my mind, I heard. Yeah, I can't lie to you, no matter how many times I try. I can't lie to you, I can't lie to you. Coming from the back block, posted like a backdrop. Racks to the riches, got rich and bought the rag top. Lot of homies died here, look at what the grind did. Put me in the same shoes, still do what shine did.
Till I die, I'ma ride till I die. I spend so much money on my bike, it's out of sight. Black rims, gold hubs, and the carbon pipes. Got my bike looking loud, nah, it ain't polite. When I pull up to the track, I got the best bike.
It's the heat, nigga. Tell me, baby, is it cool to touch? Tell a man that you can trust, not just a fool in lust. Coming to get you on the bus is so ironic. Exotic on the verge of erotic. I'm hitting switches on misses like I've been fixed with hydraulics. My up and down like a roller coaster.